I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Klarna wallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once you're in the app, look for the Wallet option in the main menu. Tap on it to access your payment methods. Step 3. Add payment method. In the Wallet section, find the Add Payment Method button. Click on it to start the process of adding your debit card. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your details, tap the Save button to finalize adding your debit card. You should see a confirmation message once it's successfully added. Now you're all set to use your debit card with Klarna. If you run into any issues, just double check your card details for accuracy. Happy shopping!